Hi, everybody. I wanted to share how to use our hydrogel eye patches. I am like wanting to tear my eyes out of my head right now because I decided to eat my lunch outside and there's pollen everywhere and it has gotten in my eyes. I have contacts, not just glasses. So I was like, oh, I totally need, excuse me. You're just going to tear open your little pack and take this little tray out kind of carefully because sometimes the hydrogel eye patch doesn't stay in the tray, it will stay in the packet, but these both stayed in the tray. So see how cool they're clear, they're non-toxic, they're vegan, they're amazing. I love to put them in the refrigerator first, but I didn't do that with this. So you're gonna put the small end in towards the nose and just have it come all the way up like at the bottom of where your crow's feet would be. And if they slide, oops, trying to do it in reverse is kind of funny. If they slide, all you want to do is just keep pressing them up until they stay. And sometimes it takes a little while, sometimes it sticks right away. You just want to really be careful taking them out of the tray because they will tear rather easily. Of course, we have the dog barking like crazy. Enough. So, so you just put those on, they're nice and clear. I sometimes even just wear them out, especially because if I put my glasses back on, you hardly even notice them. They'll stay on there for 20 minutes. They're so soothing. They'll take down any puffiness. They brighten the eye area and super hydrate them. So give yourself a nice little spot treatment and treat yourself to these amazing hydrogel eye patches.